In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt Ghibli style. So I am going to show you how to create beautiful Ghibli style pictures using AI tools like Chatgpt. You will find the link in the description below. Just go ahead, click on that. It will redirect you to Chatgpt. Now, when you land in this page, if you have an account, just click on login. But if you don't, you will sign up for free. Now the second tool we will be using is Bing Image Creator. So this is a free tool as well. Just go ahead, click on the link in the description below, and you will be redirected to this page that we are on right now. And the third tool we will be using today is Leonardo AI. So go ahead, click on the link in the description below so you can start creating with us step by step. Now just go ahead, click on the link, and you will be redirected to this web page here as well. So now without further ado, just go ahead, sign up for ChatGPT, or if you have already an account, just click on login. Now to create an account, just go ahead, type in your email, then click on continue. After that, just set up a password. At least it should be 12 characters, as you can see here. If it's not 12 characters, you can't proceed with creating your account. So go ahead, add some characters. Then a verification code will be sent to your email. Just go ahead, open up your email and check for the code. Now type it in, then click on continue. Now you will type your first name and just go ahead, type in your birthday as well. So after you do this, just go ahead, click on continue, and now your account will be set up for you. So just give it some time to load, and now you have a ChatGPT that you can use for this video or for other things as well. So now the first tool is set up. This is ChatGPT. This is where the magic starts. So to generate the best image, we need a strong prompt. So go ahead, type in something like this. Write a detailed prompt for generating a Studio Ghibli style image of fantasy village at sunset with magical vibes. You can copy this text or write it with us in order to get the perfect prompt, so you can copy and paste it in Bing or Leonardo AI. So just go ahead, type in image of fantasy village at sunset with magical vibes, so you can fit the description of Ghibli style. After you do that, just go ahead, click on this arrow which is sent. Then ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompt that you can use to generate a Studio Ghibli style image of a fantasy village at sunset with magical vibes. So this is the prompt. Let's go ahead, read it a bit. A mystical fantasy village nestled in lush, rolling hills at sunset, drawn in the style of Studio Ghibli, cozy, covered roofs and curved chimneys. So this describes how this image will look like. Now you can type in give me more Ghibli style prompts in different settings. So you can have many prompts to work with and to choose the best that you want. Now ChatGPT will create several Studio Ghibli style image prompts across a range of imaginative settings, all rich in magical detail and emotional tone. So each prompt is designed to evoke the charm, whimsy, and subtle mysticism typical of Ghibli. So these are the titles: Moonlit Garden of Spirits, Abandoned Train Station, flowering market in the sky. So these are all Ghibli style images and prompts. Now we can go ahead to the second tool we will be using, which is Bing Image Creator. Click on Join and Create. Now if you have a Microsoft account, you will be automatically logged in to this. But you can sign out and sign in with a new account so you can have more credits. So let's go ahead, click on this again. We can sign in now. So go ahead, choose your email, a new one that was never used in Bing Image Creator. Then enter the code that was sent to this email as well. So go ahead, check your email for the code. If you can't find it, just go ahead to the spam folder and then you will find it there. So in my case, this is the code. You can check to stay signed in at all times, then click on yes. Now we have 15 credits to work with, so we can create images 15 times if we want to. Now, this is the interface of Bing. You can see the images created by creators before. Now, in order to create a Ghibli style image, this is easy. All you can do is to go ahead, go back to ChatGPT. After you do that, you can choose the prompt that most suits you and you can start creating the Ghibli image right away. So go ahead, choose the prompt you want. In my case, I am going to choose the first one. Just make sure to copy everything here. Then right click and copy it or hit Ctrl C. Then come back here, hit Ctrl V or paste it manually. Then click on create. Now you can give it some time to create. This will only take a couple of seconds, so just be patient. So now these are the images that has been created. You can see the style that was described in the prompt. You can see the style of the Ghibli images you want. So now let's click on it. Just zoom in. You can see the image looks good and the prompt is beside it as well. You can download it by clicking on download. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's choose the second prompt, which is a seaside cliff village. Copy it, go back here, and then paste it again. Then click on create. Then just give it some time again. All the images generation should only take a couple of seconds. So just give it some time. And these are beautiful pictures, as you can see. Ghibli style. If we zoom in, you can see the animation looks good. The vibe of the picture matches the Ghibli style. So if you like this picture, go ahead, download it. The button is located at the bottom right, so you can access it after you're done. Now let's say you want a Ghibli image that has a person in it, just like the ones that are being used these last days. These are all over social media, so just go ahead, type in I need a young guy character in front of the beach or whatever you want him to be, looking straight at the camera. So you will have the prompt ready. Just check the prompt. If you like it, you can edit it, and then when you're ready, just copy it and go back, paste it here. But if you are not satisfied with it, no worries, you can go ahead, make it look a more powerful and should match the Ghibli style. ChatGPT will give you the perfect prompt. So this looks like a prompt we can use to generate the character we want to see in Ghibli style. Copy it and then paste it here as well. So go ahead, paste it, then edit it a bit if there is any other text we don't need, and after that click on create. Now the picture will be created and the images we want. So let's give it some time again to generate. And now your character is ready to go. This is 100% a Ghibli style picture. As you can see here, the animation, the vibe of the picture, everything looks good. As you can see, if we zoom in. So if you like it, just go ahead, download it. Then we can see if there is any difference between Bing and Leonardo AI in quality or animation. Let's go ahead to Leonardo AI. As I said before, the link will be available in the description. So click on get started, then give it some time to load. If you don't have an account, don't worry. I am going to show you how to create a Leonardo AI account. So once you're here, just go ahead, choose if you have an Apple account or email. Click on your Gmail, then click on continue, and then you will be redirected to your page. Just give it some time to load. All the tools we are using today to create these images are for free, so you don't need to pay anything. If you like any of these apps, you can upgrade your free plan later if you like the results. So we are here at the Leonardo AI interface. There are so many options you can do in Leonardo AI to create videos, images, and upscale your images as well. But we are going to create the same picture that we did that has a character in it Ghibli style. So let's go ahead and get started. Now to get started, just check these boxes. Just click on I agree to the terms of services and the updates and offers from Leonardo AI. Then click on let's go. Now we can create the image. Just choose here the image or at the left side, click on it. You can skip the inside app tutorial and follow up with me. Just click on finish the intro guide. And now we are going to copy the prompt that we generated in ChatGPT for free and paste it here as well. Now, this is the prompt, the same one we used for Bing image creator. So you can choose here the image dimensions. You can also, another bonus tip you can do is to go ahead to the left side, click on the style of the picture. Now it's on dynamic. You can choose anime general to give it more of that anime vibe. Click on generate, then just give it some time. Just scroll down. You will find your images generating here below, and the images will be available now. So as you can see, these are the images. They look so good. You can download whatever picture you liked from this, and we can go ahead, choose the one we want to compare it to the other one. So in my case, for example, I am going to choose this one at the bottom because it looks similar to the one being created. Just zoom in, you can see the details, the vibe of the picture. I think it looks amazing. I am going to download this one and we are going to compare it to the one we created before with Bing Image Creator to see the difference and to see which website we are going to choose. Just go ahead to your downloads file and then check the images you have. So let's give it some time to load. And the images are here available as you can see at the top left. I will now grab the two images to compare them. So these are the two images we have created before. As you can see, the quality looks great. So choose which tool you are going to use. As always, thank you for watching.